To access your propane tank, it's actually located inside the coach. So it's right behind this door here. You'd unlatch these latches here. Make sure that your valve is completely closed or turned off. Unscrew the LP line. Unbuckle the safety strap. Bring it over the top. And you can just pull it on out. Easy to access, easy to fill up. You're able to switch it out or bring extra when you're going dry camping and stuff. So pretty easy and convenient. To insert your propane tank back into its compartment, first you put the bottom in. Make sure that the valve is located there facing you. Safety belt comes over the top. Make sure it's nice and strapped in. So. Attach your LP line. Now you're able to turn on your propane. Your propane will run the 2-burner cooktop stove there in the galley area, and as well as your Truma Vario heat to your furnace.